First, scan the QR code on the back of the handle to download the movie gaming. Enter the movie gaming. Need to get some permissions. It shows there are some permissions not opened. Click to enable. The first one is the permission of the faulty window. Click to enable. We'll jump on the page. Find the movie gaming. Enable the faulty window permission. Click to return. The second one to enable is the access permission of usage. Click to enable. It needs to wait for 10 seconds to show me mobile phone and click OK. Click OK and return. The third one to enable is location info. Here we choose is only to allow it in the app. The fourth to enable is the allowable background behavior. Choose unlimited. Enable permissions settings will be completed here. It's sleep status now. Click on any buttons to make the handle work. The handle is recognized to have a pop-up window. Handle needs to be reinserted if not recognized. It shows the wired mode. Blue indicator light. Games has been displayed here. Unrecognized games. We can add games that is unrecognized. Slide and find a game that needs to be added. It displays to add successfully on the pop-up window. Click to enter to play. Fitness games, such as PUBG. The third operation method is recommended to be used. If the layout is custom settings, then need to click to adjust the configuration and align the button that needs to be adjusted with the corresponding icon position. Click to save. It can be played normally. Basic layout settings, plus the suspended ball. Choose the new configuration. Drag the key you need to the corresponding icon. Then need to adjust the parameter of the button. Rocker radius is recommended to be adjusted to 18. Place the LR on the fire key and then set it. Set R key as a perspective mode. The basic settings are completed. After that, need a key to move all the keys. Save the configuration to start playing. Advanced operation settings. If rocker running needs to set up, click the game settings. Find the operation settings and click the custom layout. Pull the sprint near the rocker. Save the layout. Then select the adjustment configuration in the suspended ball. Add at the rocker radius. It is recommended to adjust to 18. Click to save. After the sprint is continuously turned on the yellow light, loosening rocker can achieve the running with rocker. Connection settings. Two buttons need to be added. One is the fire button and the other is the connection switch. Point the adjustment configuration in the suspended ball. Add another arbitrary button. The continuous speed parameters need to be adjusted in the fire key. The set is 10 here. Note, continuous shooting cannot exceed the number of bullets, otherwise the effect will not be performed well. Set the keys added earlier as the continuous switch. Click to save. It has done in the same way. Let's show the continuous effect. No continuous now. Continuous now. Next, it has the setting of a one-click continuous move. Click the suspended ball to add an arbitrary button. Click to edit it. Choose basic macro. Click edit. Here we lie down with one click as an example. It has 3 actions, so add 3 keys. Each button needs to be adjusted the time interval. The recommended interval is 0.3 seconds. Click to save after adjustment. Drag to the relative icon position in order. Click to save. Green indicates the basic macro inside. Here is the effect after saving it. One-click perform can be achieved when you click LE. Basic layout settings. Click on the suspended ball and then the new configuration. Drag the key you need to the corresponding position. Settings are complete after saving it. Purchase equipment. Common attack. Use skills. Advanced setting. Skills associated rocker settings. Click the adjustment configuration in the suspended ball. Edit the keys need to be associated. Change the attribute to a associated rocker. It's best to associate the right rocker. Click to save and have a look. If it is needed to release skills reversely, click the suspended ball, click the button. Open Association Reverse. Click to save it to use. One-click replacement equipment settings. The first step is to pre-order the equipment you need first. Take the store panel as the background board to calibration macro position. Click the adjustment configuration in the suspended ball, add a button arbitrarily and double-click to edit. Choose basic macro, enter the macro editing page. There are 5 movements in one-click replacement, so it needs to add 5 keys. The time interval of each button must be adjusted. Generally adjust to about 0.3 seconds. Adjust it according to the actual situation. Buttons will be placed in the order of action after the adjustment. Note there are numbers below each added button. The color of the button becomes green, showing they have continuous settings in size. Click to save it to use. Basic page layout settings. Click the selection configuration in the suspended ball. Drag the required buttons to the corresponding icon position. The layout can be customized according to your habits. Note, this special skill icon includes 4 small skills. If the position is too small that the 4 keys are not placed, it can be released by adding the right rocker button. Click to save after setting it. Now it can be played anytime. There are no official configuration games. Need to manually create a new layout configuration. Click the selection of the new configuration in the suspension ball. Add the required buttons. Drag the button to the corresponding icon. And properly adjust the key parameters. It is recommended to adjust to 18. Change the R key to the perspective button. Click to save. Now it can be played anytime. Movie gaming can be turned off or removed after completing all settings. Games can be played as usual. The game can be opened directly to play next time. No need to set up anymore. The rocker layout is based on the last entry data.